Hi, welcome back to Creative Maze Art. Thank you for patiently waiting for my videos. Last month I was not able to upload new videos, but this year is going to be different. Happy New Year to one and all. This year is very important year in my life and hopefully yours too. So stay tuned to my channel for DIY, arts and crafts, cooking videos, reading children books, reading adult books, religious books, organizing tips and business tips. New year, fresh start. This 2024 I want to get organized. So I'd like to share you how I did it. So if you're thinking that she's going to show some fancy planner that she got it from Amazon, you're partially correct. I will show you that too because that is a professional planner. That will give you a visual idea how an actual professional planner will look like. But first I would like to share how I did it from scratch. Simple pen, pencil and scale with which you can start. Starting is much more difficult than accomplishing anything. Watch till the end for special kitchen organization sheets that I've prepared so you can conquer your kitchen too. Let's get started. So this brown organizer is a money budgeting which I transformed into my yearly and monthly recordings. Next comes logbook. This is the book I'll be using a lot. I printed 2024 calendar. So this is calendar at glance. And then I prepared a template where I jot down all the dates for every month. And then a file with all my Etsy related let's see in detail each one of these. So this is my logbook. Please disregard the account format. I just love the sleek long format. This is the first step in organizing. Transform your thoughts, the formless thoughts, into form by writing it down, listing it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once you finish the task, strike it off. It gives an instant gratification just like playing a video game. In the end of the day, strike off the whole thing and transfer the undone tasks the next day. This motivates us to be organized and don't waste time and keep a track or hold of ourselves. Don't expect your writings to be tidy, neat, but just let it flow. Just writing it down, your thoughts will clear up so many things. If you're someone who journals, comment below how it motivates you throughout the day. I had an old money budgeting organizer which came with an A4 size pouches to budget money. Right now we are not using cash that much. Everything is online, so I have repurposed it for something else. Now the budget sheet which came along with it, I have used it as a yearly and monthly tracker for certain things listed like this. So it gives me a visual representation of different things so that I don't miss any of the important documentation. For example, credit card, the Airtel bills, the Amazon, the payments, credit card payments, etc. And I also keep a monthly tracker. So I have also printed out the 2024 calendar at glance. This with the clip-on rings, I have placed it on my window. I can directly see. This will help us to plan long weekends, the month to fees to be paid or summer vacation, extra classes, other activities at one glance. And then also I've designed a template for every month where I only will write down the dates. This will also help us to jot down the important activities on every day. So in this file, it is related to my work, and for the first page, just to note down the expenses, I've listed out every month, and then I keep a track of my expenses. And then here I have a list for my Etsy store, the items that I'm going to prepare, and for YouTube videos that what and all I have going to record, and then inventory list, and also all the items that I listed on my Etsy store. By printing it out, I'll get a visual representation of every item, which will help me sell them. So next comes the circle tracker. You can list down 10 things in it which you want to track every day. For example, I have taken a printout of it and then pasted it on my wall saying YouTube, Fiverr, Etsy. So I can track everyday progress in this chart. Because I want to track my books that I'm reading, I have taken another two more tracker like this and then printed it out. This really helps us to keep a check on our daily habits. So now it's time for the professional planner. Yes, this I got it from Amazon for around 500 rupees. So whatever I have shown, the trackers that I made from scratch a few minutes earlier, everything is comprised in this sleek little book. Yes, it's amazing. Let's see in detail the things included in this. It's start with vision page. Here you can jot down the vision that you have for 2024, and then it moves on to 6 months at glance, just like I have done. Important events can be recorded. It has 2 ribbon bookmarks. Then it proceeds to 12 pages dedicated for each month, dated pages where you can note down the important events on that date. So because this is a weekly planner, next pages you will find week-wise sections where you can jot down in detail what happened on each day of that week for all 12 months. Now comes the most interesting part. It comes with the circular tracker. You can track 5 things for 31 days for 12 months. And then you have the expense tracker for 12 months. In the following pages, you have a space dedicated for passwords. It also has dates and contacts page. In the following pages, they have given passion. So this is where I am going to include all the templates that I've created for Etsy, YouTube, Fiverr, etc. I'm going to draw it on here. So this book is amazing. Everything is compiled in one single sleek book. I love it. So as promised, these are the bonus, that is the kitchen organizer sheets. Yes, we have 3 over here. One is the grocery list. Trust me, you can list on all the groceries that you usually buy and then mark it red or green based on the availability in your kitchen. And the same as a fridge list, you know for sure what are the different vegetables and fruits that you will be stocking in your fridge. So make a list of it and then track it with a red or green pen. So usually I track it on the day of me going for shopping. I take a screenshot and go buy, then come back and update this sheet. So this helps me to get organized. So next comes the monthly template which I designed. I use this to pre-plan for the next day's meal. So this along with my mother, I'll plan what I'll be cooking for tomorrow. So prepping the vegetables and other things will be done tonight. So tomorrow morning I can beat up the rush hour. I can finish it much faster and organized without making a fuss in the morning. So these are the tools that I use to organize my life. If you like my content, please like, share and subscribe. Meet you soon with the next video. Until then, bye.